So I received these floral decorations in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. And you can see that there are several items in here. We'll look at those here in a minute. But first, looking at this card, it says, "Beauty and love never fade. Romantic, fluffy, Pampas grass for you." It says, after unpacking, give them a good shake, place them in sunlight, fix the floral pattern. So you can definitely shape these however you wish. Here's a couple suggestions right here. And it says the products are natural. It's normal to have some shedding after you open the package. They come bundled up like this. So we have several things here. I guess this is what it calls the Pampas grass. You can shake this off outside, fluff it up a little bit. It is shedding just a little bit, but not a lot. Had me worried there when it said it was going to shed. So these here are kind of a grayish, purplish brown. You also have some white ones here as well. And once again, they don't really shed, just a little bit, not much at all. But if you want to make sure that they don't shed all over your house, like I said, kind of shake them off outside. And then there are also some like dried out flowers and some more of these Pompas things just on the ends there. And these kind of like wheat looking things. These are kind of like the more decorative ball type things. So I'm going to throw these in a couple of vases and see how they look. So I am definitely not great at arranging these kinds of things, but this is what I came up with. I definitely think the smaller vase seemed to work a little bit better than the taller one. But even the taller one, it did have some really tall stem type things that seemed to really work well on there. But I like the shorter vase one a little bit better. Like I said, I'm not great at arranging things. So if you're better at this sort of thing, it'll definitely come out looking nicer. Maybe I'll get my wife to touch these up a little bit. And there's quite a few extra here as well. So maybe I can find another vase and put together another arrangement. But just as a nice little easy decoration, I like them.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.